Ever wondered why economies around the world are so different? Well, it all boils down to just three basic questions.
All right, let's get into it. We'll kick things off with the core problems that every single economy has to solve. And here they are. It's really about these three things: what to produce, how to produce it, and for whom.
First up, capitalism. In this system, something called the price mechanism is basically in charge.
So what is that? It's just prices being decided by the classic push and pull of supply and demand.
So what gets made? Whatever you're willing to buy. High demand means high profits, so producers follow the money.
And how do they make it? Simple. Producers pick whatever's cheapest, whether that's more workers or more machines.
But who gets this stuff? Well, it's for whoever can pay, which can lead to some pretty uneven outcomes. Now for a totally different take, socialism. In this system, a central authority makes the big decisions. What gets made isn't about profit. It's about what the nation needs and what's good for society as a whole.
The central planner also decides how to make things, aiming to get the most social bang for the buck.
And this quote, it really sums up the philosophy of who gets what in a socialist economy. So things like fair price shops are used to make sure everyone can get the essentials at a fair price.
But in the real world, things are rarely so black and white. Most economies are actually mixed.
Here, you've got a private sector driven by profit, living alongside a public sector focused on social good.
And they aren't totally separate either. The government still nudges the private sector, using different policies.
So when you boil it all down, each system is just a different way of answering those same three questions.
And here's a great little summary showing exactly how each one stacks up side by side.
Which leaves us with the big question: what is the perfect balance between individual freedom and social welfare?